Well, hello everybody. I'm up on the hill here on the property that I've been told is going to be for sale, and Jeff is up here taking a look at it, interested in the piece. Just kind of do a slow pan around here. We're up at probably the highest point here, which is pretty flat, and it actually spreads out pretty flat in front of you there, what you're looking at right now, and that. And then from here, it's like the crest of a hill. It goes downhill pretty fast. And I'm guessing by the size of it here that probably a couple hectares, 1.5 hectares to 2 hectares is going to be like the size of it. But yeah, and this was an absolute jungle here a couple months ago, and our neighbor Beto's dad has come up here and basically by himself cleared it out and that, and burnt a lot and that. I think it's a pretty nice piece. Probably got to have about 100 coconut trees up here.
Yeah, I think this would work. Depending.
yeah, depending on what they're looking. Little, yeah, you can see Little walking over there. She's going over to the neighbors. Little, come on, come on. And then as you walk down here, like I said, it goes down. Come on, Little. It goes down pretty steep here, and you can kind of see over here, Jeff,
oh, okay.
And it's their road up to Juby's up there, goes up and up the hill, and then of course up our road there.
Is that a regular access, or just a access that they've worked out with someone?
Oh, it's a regular access. They've been here a long time.
It's a regular road.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have a problem.
No.
No. Legally, I wouldn't have.
No, no, I don't believe so at all. So we're kind of going down towards what would be the access road here, and that going up to Juby's place. Yep, coconut. The wood like that, coconut wood. And see, it comes down from the road up there, is right at the bottom of the road that goes by us down.
These are the lower rice fields?
Yeah, these are the rice fields that I got rented from my neighbor there. So the low end of them.
I wonder if the property comes down this far.
I would think it comes down to the road here.
You have to get a sketch too.
Yeah, yeah. And hopefully, like I said, Beto's dad came over the other day, and he's going to try to talk to the owners and see what the deal is here, because we just kind of heard it from the grapevine, you know, for sale and that. So anyhow,
they got a nice house down there.
Yeah, they did, and they just got done actually adding to it and remodeling here too. So
nice.
Yep.
This is a nice piece. Yeah, for me, it needs a bulldozer, but
oh yeah,
flatten out a little bit.
Yeah.
But no, this would be workable.
Yep, kind of walk up towards, back up towards the top here, and that, yeah, it's a big piece. Like I'm thinking, boy, a couple hectares, so about 3 to 4 acres. And they've been up here a little bit, cutting some wood. All those are termite hills.
acid for those?
I don't know. Yeah, I didn't realize it kind of went over that far, but wow. Yeah.
Everything that's cleared, huh?
Yeah. Except just this piece right here, which
kind
I'm
of like a L shape.
I'm not sure.
Looks like. Yep, neat as good. Or the old survey.
Yep. Yeah, you're definitely up high here. It's like I said, you can just barely through the trees there see Cebu. And that, and you, if it wasn't for the tall coconuts here, you probably could see most of the skyline.
Have to do something about those.
Yeah. Anyhow, I'm going to let you people go here. Just kind of look around. Like I said, Jeff's here. He's interested in it, looking at it. As soon as we can get some details on it, we'll kind of let everybody know out there. And that, so goodbye for now, and like and subscribe, and of course I'm in back of the camera here like usual. Yeah, so bye for now.